To make the pancake, we need baking powder, some sugar, salt, thick coconut milk, fresh grated coconut, some water, and plain flour. Let's begin. First, we mix all dry ingredients together. Add salt, sugar, and baking powder to the plain flour. Use a whisk to mix them well. Next, we add the thick coconut milk into the flour mixture. Stir. The fresh grated coconut. Mix it well. And lastly, the water. It should form a thick consistency. Stir well to remove lumps from the mixture. If you find the mixture too watery, you can add a bit more flour. There's no hard and fast rule about the proportion actually. Lightly grease the pancake pan and heat it up. Scoop spoonfuls of the batter. If you don't have this pancake pan, you can use any non-stick pan. Okay, pan fry for a few minutes until it's slightly brown on one side. Once you see bubbles forming around the sides, you can start to flip it over to cook the other side for a few more minutes. Looks like our pancakes are ready. Traditionally, the pancakes are served with a spicy chili dip, but you can also serve with kaya or honey. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.